Now, in this video, we will talk about updating the table structure and adding a column to a table using the structured query language or SQL. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to use our products table in our demo database, products table. I want to add an extra column, which is then called category ID, because I want to use that for the purpose of relationship. So at the moment, if I see edit top 200, now the structure of our table is that we've got ID, we've got the category, we've got name, we've got price, manufacturer's cost, quantity, and entry ID. But what I do want is now I want to add an extra column, which is then going to be category ID, and I'll do a relationship between the products and product category tables. So let's just add that extra column. So we want to say alter. So now alter is a keyword which means update a table structure. Then you put what you want to alter. So in my case, we want to alter the table. Then after you've said alter table, you provide your table name. Products, in my case, if you have a different table name, you will put your table name. So alter table products. Now what you want to do is you want to say add, because we want to add a column. After the add, you then provide your column name. So in my case, category ID name and your column data type. You need to tell the system whether you want to allow null values or you don't want to allow null values. Now, if we look at the product tables, in my case, I've got some products in here already. If I say not null, it will not allow me to create the new column. So let's try that first. Just want to show you that you will get an error if you want to add a non-nullable column to a table which there is already data existing and you're not providing any default values. So in this case, I'm going to say not null semicolon just to end the column, to the end the statement. So I'm just going to run this now. Now you will see the error saying alter table only allows columns to be added that can contain nulls or have a default definition of specified, or a column being added is an identity or a timestamp. So you can only add these type of columns. Or if you don't want to, you don't want your columns to be a nullable value, but you want something to be in here already. Now, in my case, I'm going to say default 1. So I want to alter table products, add category ID column with data type int, not null, default category ID 1. Now I know I have a category ID 1 in my product category table. So if I look into this one, that's now going to be, category ID 1 is ebooks. So all my products are going to be defaulted to ebooks. So in our next video, we will then do an update statement to update the product's category ID based on the names to these IDs. So let's do that now. So alter table products, add category ID, int, not null, default 1, execute. Once you execute, it says command completed successfully. That means you've added the new column. So let's just close our products table. I'm back into here. I'm just going to click on the demo database, do a refresh. Want to make sure that I get the latest structure of my table. So I'm going to then say right click. You can either say select top 1000 rows. So that means it will select 1000 rows from your table, or edit top 200. This will just edit the top 200 rows from your column, from your table. Now you should be able to see that we've got ID, category name, all these onto the entry date was our existing structure, and we've added the new column in here, which is category ID, and that's default to 1. Now there is one other thing, by the way, to keep in mind. When you add a column to a table using SQL Server or the SQL language, it will always add it to the end. It will always add the new column to the end of your table structure. So